Hello viewers! Welcome to our YouTube channel today. I will show you a scene from our village, so let's go!